Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide how to back up or restore a virtual machine in VirtualBox. So without further ado, let's get right into it. There are two main methods to back up and restore a VM in VirtualBox: copy, paste VM files, export, import the VM. Each method has advantages and trade-offs, depending on your needs. Method 1. Copy-paste VM files. This method is straightforward and involves manually copying the VM's files. Backup. Copy. Locate the VM folder, open VirtualBox, and find the VM's storage path. The default path is usually copy the entire VM folder, including VBox, configuration file, VD or VMDK, virtual disk file, snapshots and log files, if any. Store the copied folder in an external drive or another location. Restore. Paste. Copy the backed up VM folder to the same directory on the target machine. Open VirtualBox, select Machine, then Add, and browse to the VBox file to register the VM. Start the VM. It should work as before. Pros: fast and simple, preserves exact VM state, no conversion required. Cons: may break if restoring on a different VirtualBox version or system. Snapshots or linked files might be missing. Method 2. Export, import VM, OVIA format. VirtualBox provides an export appliance feature, which packages everything into a OVIA, open virtualization format, file. Backup, export, open VirtualBox, and go to File, then Export Appliance. Select the VM to export. Choose the export format, OVIA or OVF. Select a destination folder and click Export. Restore, import, open VirtualBox, and go to File, then Import Appliance. Select the OVIA or OVF file. Click Import and configure VM settings. Start the VM. Pros: more portable, works across different VirtualBox versions, self-contained and structured backup, easier to transfer VMs to another system. Cons: takes more time to export, import, may require reconfiguration after import. Which method is best? For local backups and quick restores, use copy, paste. For migrating VMs or structured backups, use export, import. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.